Welcome. This is Waec here 2020 English test of oral past question. Question number 4. So we are still using the same instruction. We say that we should look out for the word that has the same consonant sound as in the given word, particularly the underlying letter. The given word here is pronounced as all, not all. Then letter A is underlined. So let us transcribe the word all. This is long all sound. So option A is pronounced as shortage. Shortage. Option B is pronounced as laugh, not love. Laugh. Option C is pronounced as courage. That is short or courage. Option D is pronounced as country. So by this transcription we find out that option A has the same long or sound as in the given word, particularly the underlying letter that sound as or. Therefore option A is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.